on, guys? It is Dylan here. Today we'll be going over a ticker symbol analysis on the ticker symbol CFMS, Conformis. Before we get into the psychology, the price action of the stock price, and much more, just want to let you know that I am bullish on the company, but that's not what this video is about. We're going to talk about the stock price and where I see it going. Okay, so currently trading at 96 cents. Approaching 97, up 12% in the pre-market. We're gonna go like that. So you do see that we're trading within a descending wedge, right? And this descending wedge is very clean, very, very clean. You see the sellers had their points here, 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 right? Whenever the price got up here, the sellers pushed it back down and shorted it, right? And same with the buyers, they stepped in at these lines. So then it squeezed out, and the buyers and sellers had to decide who's going to take lead of the chart, and it looks like the buyers did. So that's a descending wedge, explained very fastly. Just in case you don't know, I don't want to leave you in the dark. We are above the 9-day MA, the 50-day MA, so we did get a golden cross on that. So that's pretty bullish. If we're trading above these lines, that's good. That's all you really need to know on a simplified scale. The 200-day MA is approaching us, right? That is going to be some resistance to keep a watch on right here. And then I also have the 5-day MA, which we are obviously above. So the moving averages look great, all in our favor besides the 200-day MA right now. We did break out of this descending wedge with some strength, right? Also I do see a inverted head and shoulder. You see one shoulder right there, and then you see the head right here, and then you see the other shoulder right there. So the sellers pushed it down, pushed it down, pushed it down. The buyers pushed back up, set a higher low, and then met the initial breakout range, which was this 85 cent or 86 cent level. And we met that level. We were rejecting really, really hard, and then finally we got a nice clean breakout. I'm not sure if this was news. I'm not sure if there's any news. I actually haven't checked, but I doubt it because the volume is pretty low, honestly. I want to see the volume pick up. That would be something I want to see. To probably swing this. If I saw it right here, this would be a different story, but I did kind of catch it late. I have been watching this for a couple months now, and it's just been rejecting super hard. I did present this video to you guys a while ago, and it's just been really rejecting the resistance the whole time, right? I said it was trading within a descending wedge, and it just hasn't broken out since. It's just been squeezing and squeezing and squeezing and squeezing. So, that does look good because the longer a pattern squeezes out, the longer the results yield. So we are above all the moving averages besides the 200. I did talk about that. We are in a golden cross on the MACD, more buying pressure than selling. That's very good. The orange is over the blue, so that is looking good. The RSI is at 68.62, so the momentum isn't quite at 70 yet, so it's not overbought yet, but it will be approaching overbought territory. And on the 1 hourly, it's extremely overbought. So you might see a little bit of a pullback, maybe, and then we consolidate maybe, or just start trading sideways up, slowly regain some ground. Not out of the question, right? Definitely think it's a good possibility, right? We got to keep an eye on this overall support line right there, which has been holding up pretty nice, which I will redraw 'cause I did it kind of bad, just like that. See, we went below it momentarily, and then we went right back above it. So that will be a support to keep a watch on, and that does kind of match up with my lines. Right, so just a prediction, but we do need to see some volumes. If I go over the daily, right, it is a clean pattern break, but we do need to see some volume accordingly to it, as the volume's just been very low. Not a lot of people really been participating in buying and selling the stock. If we go over to the weekly, just to get a better point of view things, see, it really just kind of died down. I mean, maybe this was just because of news. It is really hard to say, because in the past we never really had that much volume, 2 million in a week like a norm. So it's not too bad. It's not too bad. In the grand scheme of things, I guess it's not too bad. But on the short term of things, on the 4 hourly, we definitely need to see some more volume pumping, right? So with that being said, I really don't see too much I want to go over. If you like these kind of videos, please like and subscribe. definitely do that. I would appreciate it. And I'm gonna wrap this up so I don't waste any of your time. Peace, guys.